What's more fun than putting on a mask, going to an unfamiliar address, and demanding things for free? No, I'm not talking about holding up your local 7-Eleven. I'm talking about Halloween. This is Larry Bodine, editor-in-chief of Lawyers.com, with some haunting news about one of my favorite holidays. It's time to patch the hole in the sidewalk and clear out all those dangerous lawn hazards before dozens of grade school children make their annual visit. You don't want little Johnny suffering a personal injury on your property. And you already know not to hand out homemade treats or to put a razor blade in an apple. Better to just stick with store-bought wrapped candy to avoid any liability. Check your local ordinances. Some overprotective cities limit the date, times, and places that your kids can trick or treat. For example, in Richmond, Virginia, if you're over 12, the general rule is that you have to stay at home. Nobody wants to see a 6-foot trick-or-treater at their door. Have no worries about your costume. You can legally impersonate celebrities and politicians because they're public figures and they have a limited right to privacy. My advice is to stick with zombies because the undead have no standing in court. Parents, don't have your little kids asking for candy at the homes of registered sex offenders for obvious reasons. You can Google your city and the term sex offender and find the houses to avoid. In fact, I advise you just stick to your own neighborhood and only visit the homes of people that you already know. And whatever you do, do not go out on Mischief Night or Devil's Night, which is what they call the night before Halloween. Because I'm telling you, the police will be everywhere and they're looking for troublemakers. On Halloween, I'll be dressed as a pirate with my giant green-winged macaw parrot. But if you do run into legal trouble on Halloween, I highly recommend that you look up a lawyer online. This is Larry Bodine, editor-in-chief of Lawyers.com.